Welcome to Share Science. The sense of taste allows us to enjoy great food and even learn to like lots of new ones. Have you ever tasted something which used to be yucky, but now you like it? This is because your taste buds change as you grow. Let's get a taste of what this is all about. If you've ever tasted something that you like, but everyone else made a funny face at, that's because everyone has different taste buds that change as you grow up. Taste buds are the tiny little taste detectors that live in your mouth and help work out if food is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, or umami, which is a fancy word for savory. You're born with lots of taste buds, about 30,000, which is even more than grown-ups. Grown-ups have about 2,000 to 10,000 taste buds, and these decrease as you get older. And these aren't just on your tongue. You have taste buds on your tongue, cheeks, and even on the roof of your mouth. So, it's like an army of taste buds all trying to keep you safe from weird food. And as your brain matures, you don't need the army any longer because you can work out foods for yourself. When you're a baby, these taste buds are super sensitive. These taste buds are so sensitive to stop babies from putting everything in their mouth. But as you grow up, you lose a lot of these taste buds and they become less sensitive. That explains why adults can eat strong cheese or spicy sauce without freaking out. So, if you're a picky eater or you like some funky foods, don't worry. You're not weird. You just have a super powerful mouth. When you were little, your favorite food was probably sweet. That's because babies rely on milk for their nutrition, and milk is naturally sweet on the taste buds. So your taste buds get used to sweet flavors early on. But then, our taste buds are introduced to bitter foods like broccoli, blooch. Your taste buds go into panic mode because bitter foods are the opposite of what your baby buds are used to. That's why veggies can be a little yucky at first, especially if you've never tried them before. It's important that we try different foods as we grow up because we lose some taste buds and learn to like different foods. Fun fact, in the wild, bitter foods are naturally poisonous and sweet food like fruit are naturally full of energy and sugar. That's why our bodies are engineered to prefer sweet foods. There's another thing which helps us like new foods. This is called taste training. If you try a bite of a new food, sometimes your brain isn't used to the unusual new taste, and it just needs time to adjust. So if there's a food you don't like, but is good for your body, such as your veggies, try to eat the food in small bites regularly, and you might just find that you grow to like it. That way, you can eat both delicious and healthy food. The important thing to remember is that eating a range of different foods is important for our nutrition. But like everything, practice makes perfect, and if you try the food enough, you might just learn to love it. Okay, but what if your parents say you have to eat something? How can we manage? Our taste is closely linked with our sense of smell. You can learn all about how our sense of smell works in our video all about it. When we taste, particles are released from our food, which waft up our nose and can be detected by our brain so that it tastes even better. Sounds weird, right? You can test this by holding your nose next time you eat something and see if it works. By holding your nose, the particles can't reach your nose. This works best for foods like cheese and fish because they have lots of smelly proteins. We hope you liked today's video learning all about how your taste works and the cool tricks you can do to like new food. Check out our other senses videos to learn more and subscribe to get more content just like this on your homepage automatically.